Dear students, most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. In the series of article writing, I took your first type of article containing disadvantages. That was population problem in India. In second article containing advantages, I took the topic Go Green, value of trees, importance of trees. And today I am taking your third type of article, that is containing advantages and disadvantages both. Today I am taking your topic computer. Computer, first of all we have to take its introduction. Computer is a machine, is a device that is electronic, through which we may do a number of works, many types of works. In second step, we have to take its advantages. In advantages, we have to take computer is the best device of education. In the field of education, it is a teaching aid. We may use this in classroom, at home, anywhere, and through this we may learn a lot, different topics, different chapters. Next one, we may explore the world through net facility. We may know it is a source of knowledge. We may enrich our wisdom through computer. Next point, computer is a source of recreation. Through computer, we may see a number of movies, different programs may also be enjoyed through computer. Computer is also very important as it can store data. Its memory is rich. In different offices, we may do the work. Lengthy calculations can be done by computer, and in the different departments as railways and in account, pay, we may do reservations and lengthy calculations. As we see, there are a number of advantages of computer, so it is actually fruitful for students, not only in offices, but students may use this, and all over the world there is a great value in different fields, as there is army. In army, it is used to set guns, and there are automatic guns, and it is used to promote artificial intelligence. So we may say that there is a great value of computer in our life. On the other hand, there are disadvantages also of computer, as the students may waste their time in chatting, which is faceless, and that consumes times of students, and some of the students become computer addict. They are usually working at computer. Due to this, they have loss in their eyes. Their eyesight is also gets defective, and like this we may say there are disadvantages of computer also. For the duties, next point, that is the duty of the government. In duties of the government, the computer is to be made a compulsory subject in schools and colleges. It is to be promoted in schools. The students must also take very much interest in computer, the field of computer. They are also to be conveyed its disadvantages, so that they may spare disadvantages. And duties of social workers, regarding this, the social workers must come forward. They must open computer centers, learning centers, training centers, through which the students are to be provided training in the field of computer. And next one, that is self duty. We must also be fond of learning computer. Computer is really very important for us, and we may save energy. We may replace many persons only with the help of one computer. We may do difficult works with the help of computers. So it is our self duty that we must be fond of learning computer, and we must promote our children to learn computer. Self view means, according to me, there is a great value of computer in our day to day life. Therefore, we must promote computer at home, at school, in our life, at each and every step. And overall, we may say there is the need of computer nowadays in each and every field. Therefore, seeing its value, we have to adopt it as part and parcel of our life. Thank you.